Hello, this is Rachel Patusic again with LimeliGhtLB.com. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to add an event to Limelight. Now there's a lot of value to adding an event to Limelight. Limelight is more than just a local calendar listing. Limelight actually syndicates its listings to over 18 websites now that are serving the greater Long Beach area, including Belmont Shore Business Association, Bixby Knolls Business Improvement Association, Downtown Long Beach Associates website, Long Beach Nonprofit Partnership website, the Center LB, City of Neighborhoods, Arts Council for Long Beach, lbpost.com, everythinglb.com, and the list keeps going. So when you add an event here, you're also adding your event to a lot of other sites, which gives you a good advantage over other event listing calendars. So here's how you add an event. First of all, you have to make sure that you have an account on My Limelight. So over here, I'm going to click on the My Limelight link, and you'll see I am logged in already. I've created a profile account. Here is a list of events that I have already added, saved in my account. Now to add an event, after you've already logged in, click Add Events, and it will pop up a whole form for you. Now this may seem a little daunting, but it's actually really easy. You start out by filling in the venue information, where the event is going to happen. Now Limelight has an auto fill-in feature for the venues. So we have a list of over 700 locations in Long Beach already saved in a database. So if you start typing in a location that's already here and click the location when it comes up in the search, all you have to do is just click that button and it'll fill in for you. So here's an example. I'll put in, let's say there's an event happening at Open Bookstore. So, oh, look, there are two options that came up, Open Bookstore and Open Sesame. So I'm going to click Open, and it automatically fills in the information here. If you see the description cut off a little bit, don't worry about that. That's a version 1.0 bug that we're going to be fixing in our next version. But trust me, the venue information is filled in the venue description. So we're done with that. And now I have to enter in event information. I'm just going to run through this very quickly to give you an overview of it. You start by entering in your event title. Try to keep the title a bit short. If you have a really long title, try to abbreviate it so that it fits within this space here. You can upload an image from your desktop. So here's an example of some photos that I have saved in a file for adding to Limelight. The photo size must be pretty small. It must be no larger than 300 kilobytes and must be no smaller than 400 by 400 pixels. So if you're having trouble uploading a photo, double check the photo size. You can also go to our FAQ page to double check the photo size requirements if I ran through that a little bit too quickly. Next, you enter in the event date and event time and type in the event description. Now it is 150 character maximum, so that it is pretty short. Enter in your price range, the phone number for people to call if they have questions about your event, the email they should contact for questions, the website, and if you have a separate page for tickets, the ticket website, your category of event, if it's a business event, community event, a discount, or so on type of event. And also you have to select an event tag down here. If your event is free parking, if there's food available, if it's a green event, for example, if it's handicap accessible, you want to make sure and note that for people who are deciding whether or not they want to come to your event. When you're all done, you just click submit, and when you do that, this event will be sent to the administration page, and an administrator, that's me most of the time, will be checking the backend system, double checking events that have been added, fixing any spelling errors or things that may come up, or making sure everything's appropriate, and then posting them. It's best to allow 1 to 2 days for the event to be posted on the public side. In the meantime, you can always go back to your account under My Limelight, where it shows the events that you've added and whether or not they have been approved for posting, where it says up here at the top. That's it. If you have any questions, you can email us at editor@limelightlb.com.